Now let us solve this JE problem. See here, this problem, what is given that an ice cube of edge A is placed in an empty cylindrical vessel of radius 2A. Find the edge of ice cube when it is just leaves the contact with the bottom. Assuming that ice melts uniformly, maintaining its cubical shape. Take A is equal to A value, how much is given here in the sense A value is 12 pi is given is 12 pi. 12 pi is given. See here, first before melting we have to assume here radius of the cylinder as 2a is given, so we are taking as a 2a, and the edge length of the ice is a. Now we assume after melting, after some amount melting, edge length of the cube as a dash we assume, and water, some amount water has formed here, water has formed here, water has formed here. This water height formed is, let us take as a h. Before melting there are two forces acting on the block. One force is mg force, another force is normal reaction. When it just leaves the contact, in second case when it just leaves the contact, normal reaction will be zero. Normal reaction will be zero. In this case now force will be acting m dash g, because some amount of ice melted, so that mass of ice changed into m dash. And here water is forming. Due to this water in liquid, this block is floating, so that buoyancy force is acting. Now see here, this problem, before going to solve, some consideration we have to take. What are the consideration means? Here so-called water is melted, water is formed, no, the mass of the water formed is equal to mass of the ice melted. So first condition what we are taking in the sense, mass of the ice melted is equal to mass of the water formed. So we take as a mass of ice melted is equal to mass of water formed. Mass of water formed. We are taking mass of ice melted equal to mass of water formed. We are taking. Sir, mass of the ice, how much melted in the sense, volume of the ice melted into density is known as mass of ice melted. Volume of ice melted is equal to initial volume minus final volume into density. Let us take density of the ice as capital D is equal to mass of the water is formed is equal to, we have to take here cylindrical vessel is there, no, that cylindrical vessel area is pi r square, where radius of the cylinder is given as 2a whole square, and some portion of the cylinder ice cube is occupied, so that area we have to subtract. Area of the so-called cube formed is here area of the this cube occupied is a dash square, that we have to subtract. Here see here area of the water formed we have to take as a area of the cylinder minus area of the cube, we have to subtract, into height we have to keep, take. So we are substituting height here. This is the volume of the water formed into density of the water. Density of the water we take as a rho. Now this one we take as a equation 1. We take this one as a equation 1. Now second case what we are going to do means, here in this case after some ice is melted, that means when normal reaction 0, that means when this cube about to leave the contact, in that case normal reaction 0, about to leave means normal reaction 0, only two forces are acting, buoyancy force and this m dash g force acting. This buoyancy force is equal to m dash g should be there. So second condition we are taking, what is that means, buoyancy force. Second condition we are taking buoyancy force is equal to weight of the remaining ice. We are taking. Here buoyancy force, you know that V in sigma g, volume of the block inside the liquid into density of the liquid into g, that is equal to m dash g. M dash is mass of the ice. Mass of the ice is equal to volume of the remaining ice, a cube into density into g. Here now we are going to cancel g, we are going to cancel it. So by cancelling g, we can get remaining equation as V in into rho into V in how much means volume inside is volume inside how much I am showing in mark. See here in yellow mark, see I am showing this is the volume of the ice cube inside the liquid. This volume of the ice cube inside the liquid is area into a dash square into height into density is equal to a dash cube into d. Let us take this one as a equation 2. Let us take this one as a equation 2. Now we are going to divide equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. Divide equation 1 and 2. By dividing equation 1 and 2, what we are getting here? Here a cube, equation 1 is a cube minus a dash cube into d is equal to pi into 4a square minus a dash square into minus a dash square into h into rho. Here we have to take as a dash square. A dash square. Now this equation we have to divide by the equation 1 we have written, that one we have to divide by equation 2. Equation 2 is a cube d. Here a cube is not, here a dash should be written, a dash cube into d divided by a dash square into h into rho. Now whatever thing we can cancel, those all things we have to cancel. Where h can be cancelled and rho can be cancelled, here d can be cancelled. And if we cancel here a dash square and a dash cube, we will get here a dash only, remaining we can get. Here a dash only is there. So now by rearranging this equation, we are going to rearrange the equation. By rearranging the equation, we can write it as a cube minus a dash cube. A cube minus a dash cube is equal to pi into 4a square into a dash. Pi into 4a square into a dash minus a cube. Here this a dash we are multiplying here. So that after multiplying we are getting a cube minus a dash cube equal to pi into 4 into a square a dash into a cube dash here. Now we are going to cancel this a dash cube cancelled. So what is the left in the sense here now? A cube is equal to pi into 4 into a square into a dash. Now we can cancel this a square and a cube. This a square and a cube, if you cancel, a only left. Now we are going to substitute the value of a. Value of a is given here. Value of a is given 12 pi. So by substituting value of a in this equation, 12 pi we are substituting. Value of a we are substituting as 12 pi. 12 pi is equal to pi into 4 into a dash. Now we can cancel pi. We can cancel pi, and this 4 if we cancel this 12, we will get as a 3. This 3 we are getting. So finally a dash equal to 3 centimeter or 3 meter, depends on unit of edge in whatever they given, that unit we will get. See here, this a dash equal to finally that is when it about to leave the surface of the cylinder, base of the cylinder, at that instant this a dash edge of the cube will be equal to 3 units.